Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Come test drive the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, hard disk drive media storage. Come see the car for yourself.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.